Hey guys, so we were going to be working on this VN today, but that's progressed from being a guard rolling job. The customers bring it down from, I think, Melbourne. It's progressed from being a guard rolling job into being mini tubbed. So I've gone to put his wheels on. He's actually had the diff shortened, but because the diff's been shortened so much, it's actually hitting on the inside, not the outside. So that's past rolling. So I'm actually going to be mini tubbing it, which is good for him. And it's more money that he's going to have to spend now, but it's good for him in the long run because then he's going to be able to have the car real low and looking really tough. But yeah, so I was about to start on this, so we're going to have to get this off the hoist and get it rolled back here, and then I'm going to be putting the clubby on the hoist and rolling the guards on that, which is a big part of the reason I'm looking forward to having two hoists, because I'll be able to navigate cars a little bit better, although my VL will probably be dead on the hoist most of the time. But anyway, yeah, let's get this van off the hoist, get the clubby back on the hoist, and get some rolling some guards. This right here is exactly the reason why you want to get your guards rolled before you go and get bigger tyres. Like, I can fix this, and this isn't the worst I've seen, but the problem is it splits the steel. You might not be able to see that, but the actual steel for the cars here, this is the steel for the fender, and it splits them apart, and it can create a really big problem. Like, luckily enough, this has been caught before it got too bad, but this is never going to get better. Once that starts to roll, your tyre's going to just continually punch it, and I've had to fix these where they're ripped right out here, so I'm not sure if I've ever videoed one of those repairs, but yeah, it's yeah, it can be a real pain in the bum to fix. I'll be able to fix this with just the mullet and some heat, and then I'll roll the guard to suit. But yeah, you got to be careful. So even up here, again, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but even just here, it started grabbing the guard. So yeah, you got to be really careful, guys. When you've got big tires, just get your guards rolled first. You know, a few $100, and then you don't have to worry about this.